as you can see, I have no bangs, right? You are about to be mind blown. What I've done is I prepped my bangs.
Hi, how are you doing?
With some clip-ins.
What's your name?
So they just have some combs on there. I'm just going to put this all in a high ponytail. I'm gonna try to get this ponytail up as high as I can. Ding! Okay, so my ponytail is up really high, kind of like at the top of my head or the crown of my head. I'm gonna add some curl cream to the back of my hair just to kind of slick it down in the back so it's nice and slick. It's nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna add my bangs that I put little clips on right in the front, like so. Ooh, look at that, hunty! Hunty! Slay! This looks good, but I wanna add thickness to it, so I'll just add another clip in, like so. Just kind of put that right on top of the other one. And there you have it, bangs without the commitment.
We're gonna take this synthetic braid. You can get it at your local beauty supply. It's normally about $3 to $4.
I mean, come on.
And you just need one. And it comes out of the pack like this with the rubber band attached to it. And guess what? We're gonna use that to help us with the hairstyle.
Yep.
Take this rubber band and tie it around.
So it stays on, right?
So that it stays on.
So when I'm whipping my hair back and forth, it doesn't fall off. Could you imagine? Oh my gosh, that'll be so embarrassing. You're like on the dance floor, grooving, and then all of a sudden your hair falls off. Whoa, that's pretty embarrassing.
I'm gonna take my curl enhancing spray, wet it down a little. This is just to soften the curl some so I can have a little more control when I start the hairstyle. And I just run my fingers through. Then we're gonna bring this over. Take a piece of the hair. You can take the hair from anywhere. Take a small section and just leave this part hanging out because you're gonna use that to
Don't hold
finish.
it?
Yeah. Or you can leave it, you don't have to hold it.
Oh, yes. Hair, glorious hair.
I've separated the hair into 3 sections. And then I'm gonna take her hair underneath, separate it into 3 sections with this hair. I'm going to loosely braid the braid down and see how this hair is covering her hair underneath. And I just keep directing the hair over hers as I'm braiding down.
And this is so like quick and fast.
I've come to the end, I've tied it off with my rubber band, and I kind of like the way this looks at the end. It looks really natural.
Yeah.
And then you can pull the braid apart a little like this.
Give it a little style, personality.
Now, for the piece that I left out, I'm just gonna take it and wrap it around to kind of hide the rubber band and this little extension part that I've connected to her ponytail. And the little end piece, I take it, I tuck it, get a bobby pin. It's lightweight, it's not heavy, it's cute. And you know what? Sometimes you may get tired of it hanging down or you're going to bed for the evening. You can take it and wrap it around. It's just the hair that keeps on giving.
So what's happening now is Kendra, that's Kendra, Kendra! She's like the queen of braids. I'm telling you, she is the bomb.com. She's putting it into 2 ponytails and she's gonna add synthetic hair. Here are my ponytails, and now we're gonna put in the synthetic hair and braid it. Oh, long, beautiful hair. I absolutely love braids. It protects my hair from the heat, and at the same time, it's stylish and fashionable and trendy. This girl can braid. Kendra just wrapped some synthetic hair around my ponytail, should I say, just to make it really nice and neat. Ah, this is so cool. Look at this. Fabulous. A lot of the times you can just put conditioner in your hair and just kind of braid it up. Your hair is being conditioned at the same time. Sometimes you don't necessarily always have to do your hair because these braids can last a while. Synthetic hair, it's lots of fun. It's very versatile. You can do so many things with it. And not only that, it's inexpensive. Ah, this is just a fun, comfortable, casual look. What Kendra is doing is she's just taking the braids and she's just putting it into a bun. How simple and easy. But it's so cute. One thing that's cool about this hairstyle is the braids, when twisted, they look very festive. I would totally rock this hairstyle at a cocktail holiday party with a really cute dress. Don't I always ask you about doing a halo braid?
Yes, all the time.
I love halo braids. They're just so easy. So what Kendra's doing right now, she just kind of crisscrossed them in the back, and then she's just gonna bring them across the top of my head. I don't know, for some reason, this just makes me feel so feminine. Also, angels have halos. I would consider myself an angel. She's putting on these really cool jewels that you can get at any hair supply store, right?
Yes.
And they're cheap. I love this hairstyle mainly because it's so easy. I mean, look at how easy that was. You just had two braids, you crisscross them in the back, and you just put them across on the top of your head, and it looks like you actually went to the salon to get your hair done.
My wig! So Kendra and, you know, Kim, what all of these products are, they're the ones that introduced me to wigs.
And what we have here is a human hair wig. So it's 100% human hair.
It's gorgeous, darling. And you know, I name all of my wigs. Don't I?
Where does she go?
I think she's Sasha.
Sasha.
She's just very flirty. And she has highlights in here too, so I don't have to color my own hair.
Yes, and we picked a texture that's close to Tia's texture, so you know it can look real. And the head, I got at a local beauty supply. The little holder that clamps on to the table, I got at a local beauty supply. So all of this is cost effective, but the human hair will cost you a little bit more, but what you pay for that one time, it'll last you if you take care of it, like your hair, forever. If you have a few, because some people collect them,
Like
you
I
just
do.
pack them away, like your favorite sweater or your favorite dress, pack it away, put it up, pull it out when you want to use it again.
I cannot believe I'm giving away my secrets right now, Kendra. Oh my gosh, but see, that's why I love you guys.
We can't just put it over Tia's head like this, because it won't work. It'll sit on the top of the head like a hat, and you'll know that it's not her hair. So we're gonna put her back. Stay right here for me, Sasha.
Yes, don't move.
So we're gonna go to Tia, part her hair down the middle. This is really quick. Some people wear the wig permanently, meaning that they don't take it off at night. They permanently keep it on. So we have different base patterns that we do underneath to hold the hair down while we secure the wig. So I'm parting down the middle, and I'm gonna get my clips to get a little control. Now we have different versions of how we would apply the wig. Some people use glue, some people use more intricate braiding and they sew the wig on. We're gonna use clip-ins. So we're gonna take Tia's edge and we're parting this little bit out so it has more of a natural feel to it. Because
Yeah,
we're
'cause-
not gluing it down.
Yes, we're not gluing it down, and then when I put on the wig, we can blend my hair in
Yes.
over the lace of the wig.
Yes.
That's what makes it look so natural. Your natural hair, it's not getting damaged. It gets healthy, right?
Yes, it gets healthy. And right now, I've sectioned a small, thin layer of her hairline. As Tia said, it's gonna blend into her hair, but right behind that part that I sectioned out another row of hair. And what I'm creating now It's what's called an anchor braid. This is where I'll take the clip in, slide it underneath, and with the anchor braid, it keeps the wig from sliding back.
Yes.
The hair is prepped, it's ready to go. We have this tannish stocking cap. Not only does it protect the hair, it also creates a scalp illusion for under the wig.
Yes, like that is like an awesome tip because these come in all different shades and colors, right?
Yes.
When you use this tan color, it matches the color of your skin, your scalp.
Your scalp.
So when you put the wig on, you'll see this cool kind of illusion, but it's a great tip.
Time for Sasha. Showtime.
Showtime.
So remember we talked about the hair clips the same way as we made our clip-on bangs, we've made a clip-on wig.
And you're gonna clip it onto the anchor braid, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Make sure it fits all the way around down the bottom. We've clipped on the wig, taking your edges and making sure they blend in. I'm gonna use a little hair gel, kind of lay it down to blend in. Tia's ready to go.
These are some of my great extension looks, but I want to see these looks on you guys. So make sure you tag my Instagram page, Tia Mowry's Quick Fix, and also make sure you subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.
Bye.